Hello everyone, just go to the website, the link in description, and go to the downloads and click for software, and go check the DJI Assistant series and click the NASA Lite Assistant software, and based on your needs download the software for Windows or Mac. Download the exe file. Now open new tab and go to DJI WinDriver. Go to this website and check for the exe file and download the exe file. Now open the NASA Lite installer, then click OK, then next and next. Install the NASA Lite Assistant. I have already installed one, so I am skipping it. Now go to the downloads and open the DJI WinDriver and click OK. And now power on the flight controller using a battery and connect the USB cable. Yeah, it's connected now. Okay, next click on install. Okay, finish. Yeah, done. After installing, press Windows plus R key and type regedit and go to H key local machine, then software, then look for my Microsoft. Then search for Windows. Now check for current version. Then check for policies. Now go to system and check for enable Lua and change the value to 0 and OK. Now press shift plus restart. After restarting, it will go to the recovery mode. Now click on troubleshoot and go to advanced option, then startup settings. Then we need to disable driver signature enforcement and click on restart. Now press F7 key on your keyboard to disable the driver signature enforcement. Now it should restart. You should turn on the flight controller. Go to the device manager and check for the ports. DJI USB virtual COM and click on update driver. Browse the drivers and click on let me pick. First click on USB serial device and hard disk and click on browse and go to the directory where you have installed your DJI WinDriver. For me it's in program files. Go to the source 64 or 32. If your device supports 64 or 32, choose accordingly. And open the driver and click OK. Then click next
and it is successfully installed. Now go to the NASA Lite Assistant software and power your FC with battery so that it will show up in your NASA Lite software.